Hey YouTube, this is lilmetallicafreak, and guess what I got? Can't see it now, but got a butterfly knife. Got this for 50 or 60 bucks on eBay. Really sharp. It'll do some damage. Yeah, I got this for like 50, 60, 50 to 70 bucks on eBay. Can't remember exactly. Guess it's pretty cool. Collapsible. That's what I like about it. I really like about it. Game with this. You know, you'll walk up right to somebody, right behind somebody you don't like, and whew. This could definitely do some damage. Spider caught a fly. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, two videos in a day. Wow. Been so busy with Christmas and everything. Yeah. And this thing is sweet. Thing definitely do some damage, that's for sure. Said that like 50 times already, but here we go. Stab them, twist it, pull it back out. Here. Okay, so subscribe.